beauty. Paula. I love that color too. This cougar over here. Another cougar. Look at the Mach 1 is so clean. I love that color. Man, that is beautiful. Camaro.
You got wires and stuff.
It's got the trickle chargers out here. I don't know how they let that car go. Lightning, GT500, Fox Body Mustang.
That's the one that I sent the picture to you.
Yeah, it's a very nice GT500. That's a gorgeous
Look at
Camaro.
that one.
Where do you see the under the hood?
Wow, man. Look at this. Guys, this thing is gorgeous. Oh, it's like jewelry under there. Wow.
Watch out for the porch and come on this side.
It's beautiful. Camaro is gorgeous. Wow. Mercedes SL. Look, that's a gorgeous color on that Vet too.
Champagne.
Man. Oh, yep. The Camaro's in great shape too. Wow, what a beauty. Look at this, guys. Look at how long it is. It's hard to really show how long it is, but look. There's a Nova next to it too. Show the Nova. Wow. Look at the Vega. That is so cool. The Nova.
That's the one I sent you.
Yeah, the Vega is beautiful. I don't remember the last time I've seen it. I remember the last time I've seen a Vega in person. It's been a long time. That is beautiful.
Wires.
I got you.
It says it's got a Cosworth twin cam engine in it.
Man, that thing's fast. So many. That's a nice color too.
Look at this Mustang.
Side of the engine in this little thing.
Wow. It's literally like jewelry, man. Oh, cool. It's got the closed off.
This is a Pinto freaking like a wagon.
It's like a panel wagon. It's so cool. They all like literally straight from like a Hot Wheel. Like the Hot Wheels all copied them. The port window. Look at the interior, guys. Wow. Beautiful. Of course, that's my color right there. That's so cool.
Look at this.
Another Mustang.
But I can't get over the color on this Camaro. Man. This thing-
That Camaro is where it's at.
Here's the other Cobra.
My 73 Pontiac had a vinyl top just like that.
The engine is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
It's well clean.
Wow.
Maintained.
There's another Cobra right here. Beautiful shape. That one still has the window sticker on it. How? That is crazy. This still has the window sticker on it. That's from the 90s. It's all still on it. That's crazy. Look at
Look at the
95. In 95, this thing was $55,000 in 95. $55,000 in 95. That's like $100,000 in today's money. Easily. That's crazy. This one's got the window sticker on it too. Look at the lip on the front of the Mustang. So cool, guys. What a great opportunity.
Yo, you got like tons of these things.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Look at the interior on this. All the vinyl, it's all metallic blue. That's so cool. You guys see that? How the vinyl is all metallic in there? On the seats, look.
And you know what? When you get out of the car, if you wasn't wearing a shirt, it looks like he was attacked by a giant octopus.
Yeah. Even
All
this.
these little round circles all over your back.
The steering wheel is even that color. The stripe, the matching stripe is all the same with the metallic blue. It's a pretty color all the way around. Wow. The old Fomoco genuine parts going in there. So cool. What? Mm-hmm. Oh, the wheel tuck. It's got the side exit exhaust too. That's so cool. What a cool car. Got the vet here. Another nice color.
I like that color.
Yeah, it looks good. It's so low to the ground. So cool. Whoa, beautiful color on the olds. Look at that. See the inside. Look at all the velvet in there. Wow. That is so cool. Cutlass Supreme, guys, with this vinyl half top. What a pretty color. Man, he has some nice cars in here. GT. The GTR 3RS under there.
The Porsche's covered. You can even look at that.
That thing is mean.
Look at this.
Wow. Oh, cool. It's a pretty color, too. It has a lot of green cars. I like it. So cool. See the bed of the El Camino. Look at that chrome. Chevrolet. Everything's so pretty. So pretty. All the chrome is in like perfect condition. All of them. Wow. I love the color palettes of these cars, like matching interior with the exterior. Look at how the gauges are in there. Still has the Chevelle button in there for the horn. Really cool. Really, really cool. Yeah, I want to get close, see the Mach 1 a little closer. That is beautiful. 351 with the Ram Air. Look at the interior. Man, this is real deal right here, boy. Real deal. Look at the sloping back. See the trunk area. Look at that. Look at that. Mach 1. So cool. Then, of course, my heart with the Camaro. Camaro is... Look at the interior. The tan. Manual. Wow. Wonder what's under that tarp. Can't really tell. Has a big wing on it.
Check out this little gauge on the hood here.
Huh. Oh, that's cool.
I've never seen them anywhere but on the dashboard.
Wow. That's old school heads-up display. Look at the color and combination. Vinyl top. Real wood steering wheel in there. It's a beautiful Cougar.
Look at the little,
Got it.
how them wrap right around,
Yeah.
protecting the lights.
Oh, yeah. The girls going all around.
Nice.
Man.
Sweet.
What a
color.
sweet collection. Wow. Yeah.
You can take a peek down. How you gonna get all of that together? You gotta show it after.
So cool. So cool. Well, thank you for the special opportunity to see this collection. It is gorgeous. So many old cars that are in such great shape. It's cool to see that. But wow, beautiful.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.